Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Vivomove HR tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you turn off or on the heart rate monitor on your Vivomove HR. Following these instructions will turn on the heart rate monitor if it's accidentally been turned off, but if you're also looking to extend the battery life of the Vivomove HR, you can do that through turning off the heart rate monitor. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is just activate the watch face and then hold down on the watch face, do a long press so we get into the menu. Once we're in the menu, we're going to swipe from right to left. Continue to do it until you see the heart. Once you see the heart, select the heart. So once you select the heart, you'll see this option that says on. This means that the heart rate monitor is currently on. To turn it off, just select that, swipe from right to left until you see off, and you can select off. Once it shows the heart with off, you have successfully turned off the heart rate monitor. To turn it on, all you need to do is select the heart again, and you'll have two different options. You can have it on just during activities, or you can have it on all the time. I'm going to have it on all the time. Now just get back to the menu. All we need to do is select the back on the left side. And there we go. So that's how you turn on or off the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Vivomove HR. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Vivomove HR tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.